What is up, everybody? It is Thursday. Hopefully find a trade today. Sat around the past couple days, haven't seen anything. No problems there, just if I don't have an edge, I don't see a trade, then I don't have a trade. So today it's looking like we got a lot more action going on here. Bunch gap down, bunch gap up here. Just gonna run over it real fast. I did miss a few things here. MU popped up there, CBS. Iova, DocU. I didn't chart them, so I'll have to look at them probably much later. But we got tons of stuff to look at for today. I already got my starting 9 though here, and it looks like ARWR is going to look like the best one for a gap and go chance here. Netflix could sit up too. JD's not really doing anything special, and neither really are the rest of them. So it's like ARWR here. See if we can get it to that 1850. We are open. Tons of volume coming in. Pot stocks finally gapping down here. It might be the big day we see something, the big turnaround. Netflix not moving near as much as I thought it would. I don't want to give away too much on it. I don't really know if I want to take this one either, because I'd be taking it right into pre-market highs. Though with the volume, we could have a shot of breaking it pretty well here. So we're just gonna about maybe 30 cents. 30 cents 300. So I'm gonna go. I'm probably go about 1250. I think I'm just gonna go 1,000 on it. There's not even a doji anymore. I think I'm just gonna avoid it. Ooh, Netflix. Something going on here at 349. Definitely not 1,000 shares. I'd be going for the scalp on it. Coming right back. ARWR still not making that move. I want to watch Netflix up here because there's a hidden seller. I can get in on this one. 50 cents. Unlikely. I'm gonna go 250 on it. You see what happens up there. Well, ARWR ended up being pretty good. Did right about exactly what I thought it would. Just pops right up to 1850, and now it's come back down, so not much room for profit in there. Alright, pot stocks whipping all over the place. Let's see what Netflix is doing up here. I don't see it yet. I see it. Damn, dude. Missed it. Come on, man. No, it's too short. It's fine. That's what happens. I think I need to bump it up to like 25, and I might have gotten in. That's a big win. Air WR could be a good opening range play here. I don't have resistance until, let's get past the other one, so now we got until 21. This could be a pretty good one here. So spread's a little spready for a stock of this size. If we consolidate just right in here, it'll be perfect. I'll take it long over, I'll do it now. What's this? We opened at 91, so I can go 92. Risk 30 cents, so I'm gonna go 750. Can't go yet. I need that fifth candle. I think we're gonna get it here. Alright, I'm putting my order in. I'm gonna go 150. Alright, see what happens here. Definitely a very clear stop loss right here about this 60. I'm in. Holy cow, big move real fast. I'm gonna take some off here. It's much faster than I thought. Holding 19 pretty well here. Held 19 real well there. Oop, not anymore. All out. Jeez, gave back way too much on that one. I don't know. It was a small win, but maybe should have given it a little more time. I was at my profit target, and I saw it bounced on that at 19, so I gave it a shot. Might not have been enough though. And 19's holding again. Yeah, there's no way I gave it enough time. I don't know. Seeing it be where I wanted it to be at though, and then coming back to my entry is definitely what made me get out on the rest. That's alright, I guess. Sometimes it's just the way it goes. We got a bunch of candidates here for a lot of SMB trades, and that is definitely a good thing to have. Most of these things are following their gap. AR, WR being one of them. I will turn it back on when I see something. Okay, I'm thinking there might be a couple of opportunities coming up here. One on CLDR and the other on Arrow. CLDR's came back to this view app pretty hard here, but we're kind of bouncing off of it. I think I need to wait a little bit more here. Arrow did kind of the same thing. It kind of plowed through view app and then now it got bought right back up above it. I think I just need to see him consolidate for a little bit more here. Yeah, pot stocks are moving down. Looks like they're finally done. Circuit breakers everywhere, though. So it looks like we got 73. $73 being a stop loss. SPY's not too green right now, but it's definitely not helping either. Yeah, arrow just bounced. It didn't consolidate or anything. It just took right back off towards high a day here. I'm gonna try and get 500. If it gets back down to this 80, I'll take some more. It very well just might go without me too. I could probably settle with 92. Yeah, it looks like CLDR is the only one right now. The rest of them will have to. Oh, jeez. Alright, took off without me. No, it's not happening on this one either. I think I missed my opportunity on it. Because right where it's at right now is right where I'll be taking profits. And if it pulls back from where I want to be taking profits, well, then that's not a really good trade. Alright, maybe in a bit. Okay, so I'm looking at TLRY here. It's coming back towards this 81 level plus view app. CGC is obviously pretty much doing the exact same thing. So this 81 was a significant point at one point in the day. Broken underneath it, now we're kind of coming back to retest it here. I'm thinking that when I start to see CGC turn back around and start moving back towards lower days here, we might get the same thing going on with TLRY here. And I want to kind of sync it up with view app in this 81 level. But if it's going to keep bouncing around in here, then it looks like it wants to go retest view app too. Because CGC is just grinding up right now. So I need to wait a little bit and see what happens with CGC here, because I think if CGC starts falling, TLRY is going to be doing the same thing. Some of these stocks are just really grinding up. Netflix is taking off here. Alright. CGC is starting to turn around, it looks like. But I feel like it's just too early. That's not true. I think I can make my stop loss above this, because if CGC is going to start turning around pretty hard here, I will go for... Yes, that is what I will do. I can't even use a limit order. I guess I just gotta go market. Because I know stop limit orders don't work. And using a stop itself doesn't really make sense. I don't think those will work either. I did see she's turned back around though, moving higher. Wouldn't be surprised to see do the same thing here. Got a little volume red candles too. That's pretty ugly. back. Spy is green again. I really want to see CGC tank here. Nope, not yet. It looks pretty good though. Just coming back here. CTRP setting up as well. I can get a better entry than where it's at now. CGC might be starting to turn here. This could be it, but I need to see it come back though. My entry's too far away now. I need to see at least something in 81. There's a hidden buyer here too. He's gone. I'm afraid this thing's gonna leave without me now. Unless we get a random spike here. Because CGC looks like it's past the point. TLRI is going with it. I really wanted a better entry on this because now it's definitely too far away. Oh wow, CGC just got bought back up pretty hard. CGC coming back to VWAP here. I wouldn't be surprised to see TLRI do the same thing. Might get a chance for a second entry. Oh yeah. CGC's back at VWAP again here. I might even see a squeeze on this one. I might just have to deal with not getting exactly where I want to get in on this. Yeah, CGC's popping above VWAP now. Could probably buy TLRY and play off of sympathy here. So now I need to see CGC get stuffed and move right back underneath view app. And if TLOI doesn't get above view app at all, then that is definitely a good case. But we could easily be seeing a squeeze here. So that volume, very low volume pullback. Nope, not yet. Still not yet. Okay, looks like CGC might be coming back here. This is a high of 20. We're already moving back down without me. This thing breaks 80. Yeah, CDC is right back under. I don't know, maybe I'm too obsessed with getting a good entry on this one. I don't know, it's like I told myself before, I think I'm just gonna have to sacrifice getting a good entry, but I feel like I can still get something better than where we're at now. What if it doesn't break this 80? This could be a pretty ugly squeeze too. What? I can't even use a market order? I've been watching this thing this whole time for nothing. I can't even use them. What's going on? Oh, I don't know. I guess I can't even trade TLRY. I got no idea what that's about. I don't have the locate, so I don't really know what the issue is. But this is it. This is where I want to get in. I don't know what it's gonna end up doing. But whatever it's doing it without me. This sucks, man. That looks good. I swear if this thing gets underneath this, I'm sure it's going to. I just got no way to get in. Alright, ARWR here might be finding a bottom, setting up for a good spot to get another entry here. What I need to be doing is watching the tape, find a level that it's holding, and see if I can get an entry close to that level. And we just now came to, what is this, 2006 for the first time, and bounced off of it. So let's see what happens. Okay, a little bit of market update here. SPY turned around pretty hard. Came crashing through VWAP yesterday's close. Dropped an extra point, so sitting pretty red right now. Netflix kind of followed suit with the SPY here, and then we found a nice little bottom here at this 348. Want to watch the tape down here, possibly get a scalp short underneath it. Really just about trading $1 off of it. Risk is only about 50 cents. What I'd like to be 50 cents. Pretty quick trade. If it goes in my favor, great, I'll take it off. If it goes against me pretty fast, great, I'll take it off. There's a lot of support underneath here, so it's getting kind of squeezed. Same with the 5 too. Last time we got down here, we got down to that 146, 147-ish, and pop back up. I don't know. This might not actually be a smart trade here. Yeah. Blew right through it anyway. Didn't even see a hidden seller or buyer or nothing. That's fine. I probably should have avoided this one anyway. No matter what it does. I wasn't paying attention to the ask. I don't know what price I could have gotten out at. It might have been a decent small winner, but definitely nothing too special. I think there's just going to be too much support down here. But with the market acting the way it does, who knows, could very well continue. Okay, I'm going to be done for the day. Things aren't really panning out like I would like to see, I guess. SPY's dropping down even more now. We're moving lower, sitting at low day right now, so these up gaps don't really look, they haven't looked strong since like mid-open, and I mean now they're not even looking near as strong. CTRP, I mean there's daily resistance from 40 to 60 to 80, so it's not a surprise it's not moving. What else we got? ARWR. There was a few trades on this that I was looking to get in. I was looking in here. I mean I just missed this move. I was trying to put something in here, and I mean I just missed this move as well. I was trying to get super tight risk on this one, and I just missed out on it. I mean, it's good I'm trying to get these early entries, or not early entries, but close to my risk entries. Definitely nothing wrong with that. But I mean, sometimes it's too slow. I mean, I'm finding out more and more that the more I try to get these really good entries, the faster I have to be. I mean, I gotta be right then and there, and there can be no question about it. There's no time to debate whether or not this is the right time to get in. I mean, I'm guessing it's something that'll just come with more experience, seeing these things. I swear it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Dude wants to run a weed whacker out here. ARWR is the only trade that I took. Opening range play, really nice. Got some of it an early entry. You can see the high of these candles was 94, and I put my entry in, and I think it was 92 maybe. So, made a really nice pop right to my profit target immediately. I was looking to get about 25 cents, risking about 25-30 cents. I mean, we got there right away, so I took off 150 as soon as I could. I wrote about it in my report card that I typed up for the day. So read about it in there. I mean, I was talking about just taking money early in the morning, how important it is to be green on the day. I mean, if I got that money that quick, that fast, I mean, I should just take it and just call it and be done with it, because more often than not, good God, I'm gonna do this later. Okay, I think the guy's gone for now. Basically, the problem was today things were just kind of moving really slow. I think CLDR was the other one here. Just really slow moves in either direction. Really slowly came back to VWAP. Not really setting up too well for a good entry. C-Trip actually just broke out here. Must have been like a hidden seller or something up here, because that just kind of came out of nowhere. Either way, again, just really slow, just slowly grinding up, pull back to VWAP. Really, what I'm looking for is much faster, something like this, and then take it long over here. I'm sure I missed an entry over here as well, and it's not exactly an A+ though either. It's a pretty strong down move, plus an engulfing candle there as well, so definitely not the best one there. ARWR was the opening range play that I took. I can't remember exactly what I went over already, but TLRY and CGC and everything are kind of recovering here. Made an attempt, it was down like 13% at one point. Now come back, only down 4, almost down, almost nothing. So maybe the pot stocks aren't dead quite yet, but I don't know. I don't have too much hope. Guess we'll just have to see what happens later in the day. Either way, finish up 25. Read the report card if you haven't read it already. Always working on something, always finding solutions to what went wrong or right. Definitely a big one, big takeaway is to just take my money. Take my money in the morning, use it later for SMB trades. Be done with it, lock it in, keep it. It's my money, I got it. No reason to waste time with partials anymore. If I got the money, I got the money, that's the end of it. The true trades that I need to be waiting on are my SMB trades, not my scalp trades. And RB is not a scalp, but either way, it is in the morning in the first 5 minutes. And if it's at my profit target, I just need to take my money and put it to better use later. So back again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.